Hi guys, so this is the happenings right now. We're all waiting for our after almost an hour of waiting. Thank God. I hope we can make it. Our flight is 2 p.m. And it's alright. It's about 10. No, it's just like 9:30. Hang on.
Say hi.
So this is my niece. Hindi na kayo palo. Saktong-sakto sa amin guys. Ano? It's time. Rest. I guess. Makatulog sila lahat guys kasi mga puyat yan sila kagabi. Actually puyat din ako. Pero immortal kasi ako. Kino kami. Bug. Hi baby. Look. Sungit. So we made it here. Look. The check-in luggage is cute. So guys, late na kami. Late na kami.
We would like to say thank you for flying with us.
As usual, it's still hot in here. We're still in the Philippines anyway. But in Manila, it was really raining. Happy Fiesta Boracay, Katiklan. We arrived in the right time.
2, 3. IKMJS na yan.
So we're finally here at the station to Boracay with these people. Look at the sunset. Yan ang sumalubong sa amin, guys. The vibe is so calm and it's very nice in here.
Right, anong gawin mo? Magkakaroon pa rin yan.
Yeah. Right? Apparently, we're looking for food for the exact restaurant that we're going to eat. Ooh, the best dito guys, visit niya sila dito sa Boracay. Super mura and super sarap ng mga pagkain. As in. So tinamad na sila maglakad kasi sobrang init sa labas guys kahit gabi na. Oh. Grabe naman lamig dito sa loob. As in, naman ang mga itsura ng mga first. Red Horse, San Mig Apple. Tapos tag-iisang cup noodle. Diba? Pangontra agad. Magaling, no? Tama. Hi guys, so this is our first day. Our actual first day. Technically it was yesterday, but today is our, like, the whole day.
Revive ito ngayon yung solution. I-add lang natin yung dalawa. Bali, 4 na muna yung taon. Pero sure naman siguro yun. Ay, tawag ko sila.
Tawag na para iwan sila, kami lang party. Oo nga, may iwan sila.
Parte kami mamaya.
Hindi na nila, ayaw namin.
Trip.
Enjoy sila
Let's go.
doon.
Libre ko kayo. Kasama may call mo yung number ko.
Abo.
Tawagan ko muna.
Anong oras po yan?
Alas 3 po. Alas
Back.
3.
See ya.
So, we have decided to break. Hair break. Siya muna mauna. And, maya na siguro ako. Kasi, sayang naman yung banda na sa ulo ng first.
Meron po kayo magtanong ng hina kasi meron doon.
Sige po. Thank you. Ganda dito, guys. Nagpapa-braids kami, guys. Kami ang ba naman? Sana all. Visit kayo dito sa office ni ate. She's so accommodating. And it's nice in here. Aircon, tapos may music, and nice.
Nakita mo na matulog.
Yes, while you're waiting.
Hindi ko nadala yung Johoki.
Oh my gosh, I love to sing!
Johoki pa sana eh.
I really like singing. O, diba? Pinag-computer pa ako ni ate. San kayo?
Ilan
po,
phones?
guys. Dahil tayo ang buwan naman, oh. Nard, what music do you want me to play? Wait, yung pang chill lang. Cozy cold. Guys, that's so bilis.
Sir, yung color mo, naka-ano ka na? Puti lahat.
Guys, grabe. Inilaban ni ate. Nakatungtong na siya. Leonard, grabe ka. You're so, ano... We're heading to we're on our way to boat party. Ready for the party?
Let's go now, let's go.
Party yung gagawin natin. Tama po ba, Ma'am Zen?
Yes!
Birthday! Oh my God, thank you for having us! Thank you for sa invitation!
Yan, nag-visa po. Say hi po to my vlog.
Grabe naman yung birthday mo ba? Thank you ah!
Guys, this is the diving clip. Ayun yung kalaban namin, guys.
Uy, go!
Let's go, baby!